Ready, start. Our inability to collect sufficient tax revenue is resulting in persistently high fiscal deficit, forcing successive government to accumulate an unsustainable high debt, domestic and external, to finance their budgets year after year. Full stop. The current administration has now pledged to raise tax to GDP ratio by over 3 pc from the existing 9.5 pc to 13 pc in the next 3 years as it negotiates another IMF bailout to avoid an economic meltdown. Full stop. However, few believe it can do so without agriculture is one potential area that can produce sizable revenue. Full stop. New para. Nonetheless, the sector contributed less than 0.1 pc of the direct tax collection of Rs 3.7 ter in the last fiscal year, dispute compresses nearly a quarter of the national economy. Full stop. Why is this so? Question mark. One reason is that agriculture income tax remains a provincial subject because it suits the interest of big landlords who enjoy substantial political clout in the assemblies. Beside the farm income and collect tax accordingly. Full stop. More importantly, tax rates on farm income are much lower than the federal rates applicable to income derived from other sources. Full stop. The highest slope on agricultural income is just 15 pc in Sindh and Punjab, compared to nearly 39 pc on salaries individuals. The absently low rates on farm income have in effect turned agriculture income tax into a tax haven for tax cheat. An IMF paper has indicated that tax exemptions on agricultural income makes this sector a legal, and sometime illegal, tax shelter for for other form of income. Full stop. Transfer from other sector of the economy to agriculture are commonplace to avoid income taxes. Full stop.